Sheila and welcome to today's video. In today's video, I have a new subscription that I just recently found out about thanks to my daughter, and now she's got me onto this. It's a monthly subscription that you can sign up for, and what they do is every month, if you're a parent or a grandparent and you know you have all those photos on your film, well, what you can pick 30 photos and you can send it to Chatbooks and you can get a little book made up of the 30 most important pictures of that month. And so that is what I created this time. Now they have two books and I'm going to show you this one. They have a soft cover one for only $8 a month, and then the hardcover one, which is the one I got, and it's only $13 a month. So this is a fantastic way to stay organized and get some photos. The 30 best photos in your phone, you get them, you send it to this company. You can add descriptions of what you want. You can say who's in the picture, when it was taken, whatever you want. So I have a referral link that if you would like to try it, you get $10 credit off your first book. So I think this is a fabulous idea. Okay, so here is the book. Here's the back of it. I chose black, but they have 4 colors you can choose from. They have black, like a bluish green, a pink, and I think a white. I'm not 100% sure. But what I thought, my daughter's doing this too. She's creating a book every month. So I have this rug in the front of my house and it says, "Welcome to Nana and Papa's house." So I made that my cover on my book. And you can have any picture you want on your cover. And then when you open it up, I'll try to hold it up as best as I can. You can see it has the date right here. And right down here I said, "Grandkids welcomed, others tolerated." And then right here, I'm just showing, here they are coming home from the hospital, screaming their little heads off. And I was able to type down here, Scarlett and Stella coming home from the hospital. And then here's me and my husband, so Nana and Papa, seeing the girls for the first time. We had to wait 2 whole days because of COVID. We couldn't go to the hospital, so that was a picture of when we were getting to hold the girls. And here I am holding both girls, and then here's a picture of my mother holding one of the girls. So I'm not going to go through every photo and bore you with it, but I mean, is this not a fabulous idea of creating your books and having a book created every month for you, and not getting all those pictures in a shoebox or lost on your phone or forgotten about because we never get them developed, right? So I think this is a fabulous subscription. I'm so happy whoever came up with this. I think it's a genius idea, and I think it's wonderful for parents, grandparents. Yeah, I just love it. So remember, I have a referral link down below for $10 credit off your first book. So yeah, I love it and I would recommend it. Well, I hope you guys have a great day, and I'll see you on my next video.
Fun, 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 fun. Yeah, 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 yeah.